Hi everyone. Today I'm going to discuss a very important topic, that is conversion of units. Many students have asked Miss that we are facing problem in conversions. What do you mean by conversions? First of all, did you understand? I'm talking about conversions of units. Like first I'll talk about length. We know that there are various units of length: meter, millimeter, centimeter, decimeter. So today we will learn how to convert from millimeter to centimeter or from meter to millimeter. This is known as conversions. So what is the first basic unit of length? We say meters. Okay. Now if you want to convert any unit of length from one to another, how will we go for that? So the first step is, suppose if I take an example, if it is asked dash meter is equal to 20 kilometer. You have to find how many meters is equal to 20 kilometers. So the first step will be that you will write it in this manner, that 20 kilometer is how many meters. It means whatever you have to find, you will write on the right hand side. That means unknown will be written on the right hand side and known will be written on the left hand side. This is the first step, a very important step. That first you write the question in this manner. Now next, we have to do the conversion. So for that, let's write all the units of conversions first. Meter, then we have decimeter, then we have centimeter, then we have millimeter, the submultiples, then the higher ones, the multiples are decameter, then it's hectometer, and last is kilometer. There are various units we know, but I'm going to basically talk about these basic units. So if I want to convert from kilometer to meter, so always first you keep this table in mind in this same sequence. Now here I have to go from kilometer to meter. So where is kilometer? Here it's kilometer. Here is meter. I have to go from kilometer to meter. So remember, whenever you have to go down, you will always multiply. First step. What you will do? You will always multiply. Now multiply with what? We will see from kilometer, I will start making loops. Okay. One loop, second loop, and third loop. Each loop means 10. 10, 10. That means from kilometer to meter, if I have to convert, I will multiply by 10 into 10 into 10. That means I will multiply the number with 1000. So what will I do over here? 20, I will write as it is. Then kilometer has to be converted into meter. So I have to multiply by 1000. So this much meter. So what is the answer? 20,000 meter. Very simple. Okay. Let's take one more example. If I have to convert, second example I am taking. 3.5 decimeter is how many millimeter? Okay. Now first step, I will always write the known this side and unknown this side. This is already in this format, so I don't have to change. So first step, very important. This thing should be in the same manner. Now second step, I have to convert from decimeter to millimeter. From decimeter to millimeter. That means I have to go down. That means I will multiply. Now multiply by what? Again start making loops. From decimeter to I have to go to millimeter. 10 into 10. That means 100. I have to multiply by 100. So 3.5 will be written as it is. And I have to multiply by 100, this much millimeter. Very simple. So how much is this? Remove this decimal, remove 1 0 and you get 350 millimeter. As simple. I hope now this conversion is clear. Now this was when I have to convert from a higher unit to a lower unit. Now suppose I have to go the other way. Like, I take another example. 100 millimeter is how many meter? This is the question. Again, it is written in the same manner. Unknown is written on the right hand side. Known is written on the left hand side. So I don't have to make any change. It will be written as it is. Now I have to go from millimeter to meter. You see, when I have to go from millimeter to meter, I have to go up. So, always remember, when you have to go up, you will divide. Simple. And the same loop will be followed. Like we followed over here and here, the same loop will be followed. But instead of multiplication, I have to divide. So here, 100 will be written as it is. And from millimeter to meter. From millimeter to meter. How many loops? 3. That means 10, 100, 1000. I have to divide by 1000 because I am going from lower to higher. Okay, so what this will be? You can write like this: 100 divided by 1000. 2 zeros will be cut and you will get 0.1 meter. Fine? Okay, one more example and then this will be crystal clear. Suppose if I say 2640 meter is how many kilometer? See, I am already writing the question in the way I told you that the unknown should be this side and known should be this side. This is the first step. So you will always first write in this manner. Okay. Now, I have to convert from meter to kilometer. See, here is meter. And I have to go to kilometer. That means I have to go up. So that means I will divide. Now divide with what? From meter to kilometer. 10, 100, 1000. That means I have to divide by 1000. Very simple. So let's do that. 2640 divided by 1000. This much kilometer is the answer. Now do the calculations. This will get cut and you will get 2.64 kilometer. This is the answer. So now I hope the conversion part is clear to you. This is when we have to convert length in case it is mass. So everywhere instead of M it is G. That's it. So the whole process will remain same. Nothing will change. Only instead of M I will have, for mass, what do we have? Think about it till I am writing. For mass, we take G. So, we will write G everywhere. G, G, G. This is again G. That's it. See, for mass, we get grams, kilograms, milligrams. This is what we use. And rest whole process will be same. When we go down, we will multiply. When we will go up, we will divide. I hope this will help you a lot in doing the conversions. Thank you for the day. Bye.